Hey everybody, Kensurfs here. Welcome to the channel. We're going to do an unboxing today of an iPhone 16 Pro Max. I've upgraded my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So all of my videos that I shoot in here are actually were on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it's mounted to a stand right there. And this is how it works. I'm going to be using the iPhone 16 Pro Max from now on in the shave videos that I do and any of the videos that I do. So I've got a quick unboxing video. I hope you enjoy it. And if you haven't been on the channel before, thank you for tuning in, and your subscriptions are always appreciated. All right, so let's go into the living room and we'll take a look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium. All right, everybody, welcome to the channel. We are going to do the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium. Now, I haven't upgraded in several years. This is my go-to phone that I film all of my channel's content on, and this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I've already got the screen protector for the new phone, and I've got the case for it. So we're going to open this up and see what you get in the package. And then later on, I'm going to transfer all the data from this phone onto the new phone. So let's open up and see what we've got here. I pre-ordered this, and we all pre-ordered the same day, just after the release day. And my father-in-law got the same phone, but he got it in natural titanium, and his came in about 2 weeks ago. This came in about 3 days ago, and what are we at here? We're at Monday, October 7th. I wasn't expected to get it shipped until the 11th. My wife ordered the white iPhone 16 Pro Max, and that hasn't even shipped yet. So, and she's not ordering a terabyte, she's only ordering 256. So here we go. See what we get. And my carrier is AT&T. So here we go. Ooh. Cover the numbers here. And there we go. So let us unbox this. Nice. It's not quite gold. It is tan. And what do you get here? You get the phone, and you get the USB-C connector, which I like because I have the new iPad, and the iPad that I have takes this connector. No more lightning port. So you get that. No stickers, no decals. Yep, and that is it. So you don't get a charging block, which everybody knew, because if you're watching this video, you probably watched about a dozen other unboxings. But this is the 1 tera, and apparently it has the new camera control here. There's the new charge port. And the new buttons. I'm going to have fun transferring this all over and seeing about it. All right, here comes the peel. Oh. There we go. Shall we set that down, take one more good look at it? Now I'm going to do the transfer over. I'm not going to show that because I'm probably going to goof several times. I've been watching the YouTube videos, and although it seems quite simple, if anything can go wrong, it will go wrong. So the next time you see this, I'll have transferred the data from this phone over to this one. All right, well, thanks for watching, and let's continue. Well, I might as well show it does work. All right, we've started the transfer process, and I had forgot a few passwords and I had forgot a few credit card numbers, but now it's saying 3 hours. So we will get back to you once the transfer is complete. All right, it took less than about an hour and a half it took, but all the data is over now and the apps are updating. All right, and the transfer is now complete. Now, the new iPhone 16, I have a new case on there, and it's got the metal magnetic stand that can also serve as a tripod or a kickstand, if you will. Now, the phones themselves, they're both in cases right now, but they are virtually, I know they're not quite identical, but they feel almost identical in size. So now I get to accept, I do like the new USB-C charging port as opposed to the Lightning on the 13. Definitely looking forward to trying out all of these new features, and I want to thank you for tuning in, and thank you very much for watching this unboxing. And there'll be more videos to come in the future. Thank you very much.